If your garage is a tangled mess of cleaning products, paint cans, and small tools, you need to get your clutter off the ground and into the Performance 2.0 wall cabinets. By organizing your garage items and utilizing all your unused wall space, you'll not only know exactly where to find your belongings, but you'll clear your floor, giving you space to walk without tripping or to park your car. Stronger than wood cabinets and superior to basic shelving, the fully welded wall cabinets are constructed from 24-gauge steel, keeping your family safe and your belongings tucked neatly away. Capable of holding 100 pounds of weight, the Performance 2.0 wall cabinet and corner wall cabinet are quick and easy to install, with a perforated back wall panel for securing to wood studs. The modern, minimalist handles are easy to wipe down, and flip-up style doors with gas shock hinges softly open and close, while providing a wider access area than standard hinge doors. Fully lockable, double-walled doors keep your cleaning products and chemicals secure and out of reach of children. Store your car kit, paper towels, and gardening supplies within easy reach of your work area. An integrated light channel on the underside of the cabinet provides a perfect nook for our optional LED lighting, so you can utilize your workspace well into the night, and the built-in cable run keeps wires neatly hidden. The Performance 2.0 wall cabinets come in multiple styles and colors, with a powder coat paint finish that's resistant to scratches and stains. Strong, spacious, and safe. Get your items up and into the Performance 2.0 wall and corner wall cabinets.